right here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How's everyone feeling today? Feeling good? It's so nice to see all of you out here, especially the kids. I'm pretty sure it's school holidays right now. Hope you're enjoying your school holidays, all right? By the way, my name is Chandra, and I am a raptor ranger. My buddy Davi and I are passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
So we conduct rescue and release efforts. We also have to take care of the birds. Yeah. And today we are going to introduce to you some of our favorite predators on wings.
So if you're all set, everyone, eyes right up there. Let's welcome Susie, our American bald eagle. Look at her, such a beauty. Susie's the female. Whoa. Look at that. There you go, nice landing. Now being a female, she's much larger and heavier than the male. And of course, Susie has been with us for almost 25 years. That's right, she's a veteran of the show. Her strong beak and powerful talents make her an unmatched huntress.
So Susie here, she weighs 4.7 kilograms. When flying at high speeds, she's able to lift off an entire prey weighing up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
That's very interesting. And here's another interesting fact about the bald eagle. These birds build really huge nests. And if you're wondering how big could the bald eagle's nest get, well, it can be up to 10 feet wide. And if you're wondering how wide is 10 feet, let's take this thumb as a marker. So that should be about 10 feet wide. Not only that, it can be up to 20 feet tall, which is almost 3 times my height. Pretty impressive, huh?
Impressive indeed, Chandra. You know what, everyone? I think Susie here has done well. It is time for her to head back home. A big hand for Susie, everyone. Our American bald eagle.
Did you heard that call?
Ah, that's a familiar call. Right up there. Let's now send our white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagles are the largest bird of prey that you can spot in Singapore.
The white-bellied sea eagles have rough undersides, which enable them to get a good grip over slippery and struggling prey, for example, like fish and even snakes. Talking about snakes, these birds are specialists in hunting venomous banded sea crane, which is a highly venomous sea snake. So today we're going to do a little demonstration. He's taking up position right up there. We have a replica of a sea snake. Once it's ready, we're going to toss it into the pond, and we're going to watch it fly down and snatch it away on the surface of the water, right? Any moment now.
Okay, keep your eyes on him. Here he comes. Diving down and flying.
Wow, that was a very impressive snatch, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure it happened quite fast. So for those of you who missed that, not to worry, because we do have a video. There you go. Another big round of applause for that one, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Now, Chandra, did you know that the white-bellied sea eagle is actually my favorite bird of prey to spot in Singapore?
Well, Daria, I have another bird of prey that I really like, which you can commonly find right here in Singapore. And that would be the brownie kind. So everyone, let's welcome Rado. Whoa, look at that. This is our brownie Rado, and of course, these birds can be found in Singapore, not only in Singapore, in Southeast Asia. Now, they're very agile and maneuverable in flight, alright? When you take a good look at Rado, you will notice that it's a big-sized raptor. Don't let the size fool you, because this bird is capable of stealing or even snatching food away from a bird as large as thousands of the white-bellied sea eagle. Nice landing, by the way, Rado.
Now, when you're walking around the park in Mandai, do look up. You might be lucky enough to spot yourself some wild white-bellied sea eagles or even wild brownie kites flying around. So this is what they will look like in the sky. The one on the right, that would be the white-bellied seagull, and the one on the left is the brown-bellied kite. So it's very easy to spot the differences between these two birds. First would be the obvious size difference. And then we have the coloration. Last but not least, the shape of their wings when they are flying. So white-bellied sea eagles, they have a V-shaped wing with a wedge-shaped tail.
Now for the brown kites, they have L-shaped wings with a U-shaped tail. And looks like Bravo can't wait to get back home. He's very eager. Alright, you know where home is? Bye-bye, see you later. There you go. Very nice. A round of applause for brown kites, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Each year, 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia, flying all the way to as far as Africa. It is a perilous journey, but thousands never make it to their destination.
Ladies and gentlemen, each year, thousands of these birds are being killed for sport. So we will need your help to save and protect them. Our skies will soon be empty.
Birds of prey are vital to the health of our planet. They help to remove old, sick animals, as well as help to get rid of pests. So one bird in particular helps us with pest control. That bird would be the owl. All the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming, because the owls, they are the monsters of silent cloud. So joining us out here, we have Maya and Latif, our Malay fish owls, another local species.
Well, Daria, you mentioned something about silent flight, right?
That's right.
Yeah, well, the reason why owls are capable of silent flight is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this extremely soft edge at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers. Not only that, these birds also have longer wingspans, so they usually like to glide along rather than flap their wings. And also, owls have excellent eyesight. In fact, they do have binocular vision.
Now the color of their eyes also tells us when they like to hunt. So owls with yellow eyes, they tend to hunt during the day. Owls with orange eyes, they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. Last but not least, owls with black eyes, they tend to hunt during the night. So with that, everyone, let's give our lovely owls, Maya and Latif, a round of applause. Thanks for joining us out here, guys.
Thank you so much to our trainers and our lovely owls as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, when we talk about birds of prey, many of us think that they like to spend a lot of time high up in the air searching or hunting for food. Well, did you know that there are some birds of prey that prefer to spend most of their time on the forest ground foraging for food? Well, the next bird that's going to make its way out is going to show you just that. You saw Daria setting up some props right over there. We've got a couple of rocks and also tree barks. Now this bird looks like a falcon with sharp beak and talons, but also behaves like a vulture and feeds on carcasses. So everyone, let's welcome Mr. Raul on Southern Crescent Karakana. Over here, sir. Hello, Mr. Raul.
So this is an unusual bird of prey. He prefers to spend most of his time on the forest ground foraging for food. So as you can see, he even uses his beak to flip over large tree barks, just like the one over there. Now he's using his long legs and flat claws to overturn the rocks in search of insects. Right now, Raul is very busy searching for every treat hidden underneath these items. Now, as Chandra mentioned, they also behave like vultures. So when you come across a carcass with lots of vultures feasting on it, you'll even find some karakas joining them in the feast. Now, he raids nests and even steals food from other birds. But if the insects were to take off and fly away, southern crested karakas are able to make vertical flights into the air to catch them, just like this. But now you don't want to do it. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, there you go.
Well, I'm pretty good. Can you jump higher?
Higher. Okay, Rob, you ready? Let's go higher! There you go!
That was good. But I think he can jump much higher, right? Mr. Raul, over here, sir. 1, 2, 3. Higher! Whoa, look at that! Well done indeed. Okay, sir. Time for you to hit back home. Momentarily, we'll see you later on. Good boy. Let's give Raul a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Intelligent southern crested karakara. So talking about the karakara, earlier on I mentioned that these birds are known to feast on carcasses, right? But they're not strong enough to open up a carcass. So they will need the help of special bird friends. Special friends like vultures. But unfortunately, vultures are widely misunderstood birds of prey. Ladies and gentlemen, when we watch TV, they usually portray vultures as evil birds, soaring high up in the sky. And then there's this ominous music in the background with a sense of impending doom. So we are here to tell all of you the real story.
So vultures, they use columns of air to fly and glide as they search for dead animals using their sense of sight and smell. Vultures, they prevent the spread of diseases.
So everyone, let's meet the very first vulture, Zena, turkey vulture. Oh, look at that, low above your heads. Now the turkey vultures can be found in the Americas, and they are pretty abundant in the wild, close to about 10 million of them.
So they also have a very keen sense of smell. This means that the turkey vultures are usually the first to the scene of a carcass. Now other vultures would follow suit, but the other vultures would be doing the hard work of ripping apart the tough skin of the dead animal.
And these turkey vultures have stomach acid as acidic as car batteries. So this actually enables them to digest carrion pretty well, alright? So our lovely Zena has done well right now. It's time for the head back home. Okay, Zena, over that way. All the way back to Lena. Come on. She's waiting for a round of applause. Let's give it to her, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the screen right now. Lena! Or Zena, need to get back home. Bye-bye. She's waiting for another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. All right. Okay. Bye-bye. So everyone, take a look at the screen right now. All right, we're gonna put it down. Let's put it down. There you go. She really doesn't want to go back home. I forgot to mention to you that this bird is very attached to me. Okay. I'll see you later. I need to finish the show, and then I'll come and send you back. All right. In the meantime, you go back home with me now. Don't be jealous. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hey! All right. Thank you very much. All right. Hang on. Let me assist you. All right. Zena, over here. Go. Come on. Let's go. Right over here. Okay. All right. There you go. Thank you so much. Once again, a big round of applause for Zina, ladies and gentlemen. Our lovely turkey voucher. Bye-bye. All right, folks, all attention on the big screen right now. Take a look at this scene, a very chaotic scene. Lots of vultures and other scavengers feeding on a huge carcass. Now, to me, this looks like a very disorganized feeding frenzy.
Yes, but vultures, they are a social species and they respect their place in the pecking order. So when vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's meet the very first vulture to the meal, our African white-backed vulture. Wow, look at that. Now, the African white-backed vultures can be found in Africa, and these birds are pretty aggressive feeders. About 100 to 200 African white-backed vultures are capable of stripping down a huge carcass down to bones within minutes. That's how fast they are. But unfortunately, the African white-backed vultures are critically endangered. Not many of them left in the wild.
So moving on to the next cause, which is the high-end ligaments of the animals. Answer of Maris vulture, heavyweight from Europe. So this bird is usually solitary except for when it comes to mating and having chicks. So they prefer to feed in smaller groups. Our male right back there, he has large gripping feet with sharp talons and a hooked beak to tear apart the tough skin of the carcass and eat chunks of flesh.
Take a look at the way he galloped. Oh, Medicine galloped there. And Daria, don't we have 2 more scavengers to showcase to everyone?
That's right, Chandra.
That's right. So everyone, let's welcome the Madam Song. And right back there. Ladies and gentlemen, meet our Madam Stock that can be found in Africa as well, and they're known to coexist with vultures in the wild. When you take a closer look at the Madam Stock, you will notice it has got dagger-like feet and a stern old man face. That's why they're also known as the old man stock.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, about 11 species of vultures in Africa are responsible for cleaning up to 17% of the continent's carrier. So we all could be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
That is very true, Daria. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout the world, we are losing these amazing birds at an alarming rate due to various reasons. For example, like deforestation, electrocution, deliberate poisoning, and even superstitious beliefs. Well, conservation efforts will be the only way to save these birds from extinction. In fact, they are already on the brink of extinction. So let us all show our support for these wonderful birds who have been keeping our environment safe and clean. Let us do so by giving them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Today you met raptors and scavengers, the kings of the skies and the walkers of our earth. They're a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. And if we lose them, we would be losing a part of our family.
Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us this morning. And having said that, let us all learn to live in harmony with all predators on the way.
Once again, thank you very much for joining us here this morning. If you'd like to learn more about parrots, toucans, pelicans, or flamingos, do head back here at 12:30 p.m. for the Wings of the World's presentation. Once again, 12:30 p.m. right here in the Sky Theater for the Wings of the World's presentation. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you and goodbye.